Chapter 3. The prosthetist is stocky and bald, and he tells me to call him Hank. He tries to talk to me about a fake leg, but I make him stop. I just can't listen to this. He gets the nurse to put a new bandage on my leg. One that's thinner, with less gauze. I'm cold. The room's cold. Everything feels cold. I want to cover up, but Hank is getting ready to put on the shrinker sock. It's like a long, tautish tube sock. He pulls it through a short length of wide PVC pipe, then folds the top part of the sock back over the pipe. I don't understand what he's going to do with it, and I don't care. Until he slips the pipe over my stump. Oh, I guess as pressure and pain shoot up my leg. I'm sorry, Hank says, transferring the sock from the pipe onto my leg as he pulls the pipe off. We're almost done. Half the tube sock is now dangling from my stump. Hank slides a small ring up the dangling end, then stretches out the rest of the sock and doubles it up over the ring and over my stump. There's pressure, throbbing, but Hank assures me it's feel better soon. The area is swollen, he tells me. Pulling with blood, the shrinker sock will help reduce the swelling and speed your recovery. Once the wound is healed and the volume of your leg is reduced, we can feed you with a preparatory prosthesis. How long will that take? My mother asks. Her voice starts out shaky, but she tries to steady it. Hank wipes out a soft tape measure and circles the end of my stump. That's hard to say. His mind seems to wander, so my mom asks, well, in a typical situation? Hank takes a deep breath. Typical is a person in poor health, someone with circulatory problems, someone who's old, overweight, or suffering from diabetes. He glances at me. A case like Jessica's will not have the same timeline. Her recovery will be much quicker. So, what is their expected recovery time? My mother asks, and she's sounding testy. We usually don't feed them with the preparatory processes for about 6 months. 6 months? My mother gasps. But Jessica could have hers in a fraction of that time. It all depends on her healing and how soon she can tolerate it. They talk some more, but I stop listening. What does it matter how long it takes? I'll never recover. I can't see how I'll ever even adjust.